This is meteorologist Audra Henneke with the National Weather Service in Topeka with a winter weather briefing recorded at 7 a.m. on Friday, January 31st. The main focus of this briefing is on the winter weather that is expected across the region today and tonight all the way into early Saturday morning. Now there's two main precipitation types that we're expecting across the region with this system, so to make it easier to understand, I'm going to highlight each region at a time. So the first region that we're going to focus on is going to be across north central and northeast Kansas. What's highlighted here in the purple shading on the right. Within this purple shading, we can expect some light snow this morning into early this afternoon, a little bit of a lull in the activity, and then we can expect additional light to moderate snow occurring during the late evening hours all the way through the overnight time frame into Saturday morning. So what is our confidence with regards to what we could be seeing across north central and northeast Kansas? We have a moderate confidence with regards to the timing. With the first round of precipitation that's coming through, we're already seeing that light snow tracking west to east across northern Kansas this morning. We'll see that lull in the activity during the afternoon hours, and then expect the second round to start kicking into gear, moving west to east again during the evening hours, with the best chances expected during the midnight to 6 a.m. time frame. That's where we have that better chance of seeing some of that moderate accumulation. Location-wise, pretty moderate in that confidence as well, with the main focus for those heavier amounts being across north central and northeast Kansas, in which we could see widespread 2 to 4 inches of accumulations, but we could see higher amounts, upwards of 5 to 6 inches possible across far northeast Kansas. With regards to the precipitation type, pretty high confidence that most of this precipitation is going to be in the form of snow. The only minor area of uncertainty is a little closer to that I-70 corridor, which we cannot rule out a little bit of sleet being mixed in this evening, but again, mostly expect snow. Now we're on to the next region with regards to this winter storm system. We're going to be focusing across east central Kansas, what's highlighted here in the purple shading. Across this region, we could expect to see some light freezing drizzle or light snow late this morning into this afternoon, and then have better chances of seeing freezing rain and sleet tonight into early Saturday morning. So what's our confidence in this region? So confidence is low for this morning into this afternoon, more so because we aren't sure just how quickly that freezing drizzle potential is going to lift into east central Kansas. Better chance is going to be during the afternoon hours, but can't rule it out moving in as early as mid to late morning. The second round, where we're seeing that freezing rain and sleet, better chances for that's going to be late this evening through Saturday morning. Pretty moderate confidence that we'll be seeing freezing drizzle with snow during the afternoon hours here, and better chances for freezing rain and sleet this evening and overnight. With regards to the location, again, lower confidence with regards to just how far north this area of mixed precipitation is going to spread toward the I-70 corridor, but definitely have moderate confidence in those far east central counties in Kansas. With regards to accumulations, could see a light glaze of ice that's developing on elevated surfaces and on the roadways this afternoon, but could see ice accumulations late tonight, overnight, that could be upwards of around 1/10 of an inch. So let's take a look at what sort of accumulations we can be expecting across the region. This map spells it out for us. Again, just talking about that freezing rain potential. Highlighted in pink is that ice accumulation up to around 1/10 of an inch. And then further north of that, that's where you see your better snowfall accumulations taking place, with, again, the higher amounts occurring in far northeast Kansas, where we can't rule out we could see accumulations upwards of 4 to 6 inches. What impacts can we expect from this system? Across north central and northeast Kansas, can see some light snow-covered roadways today, with definitely more snow-covered roadways during the overnight hours as some of that moderate snow moves into the area. So this can certainly result in dangerous driving conditions, especially overnight tonight. East central Kansas, with that freezing drizzle, freezing rain, definitely slick road conditions possible, especially overnight, where we have those better chances for accumulation. So you want to be extremely cautious if driving overnight in these conditions, especially on those bridges and overpasses that can ice up very quickly. Now that's the main focus for today through tonight, but we want to give you a heads up to yet another winter storm system that is expected early next week during the late Monday through late Tuesday time frame. There is the potential for more snow during that time frame with widespread accumulations possible, and cannot rule out that we could see accumulations of several inches of snow, but confidence is still low in the exact snowfall amounts. And then behind that system, strong winds expected across the region Tuesday night through Wednesday, followed by bitter cold for the middle of the week. So just want to make sure that you stay tuned to the latest forecast updates to see what is in store for us next week. That concludes the briefing. Make sure to stay tuned to the latest forecast updates for not only the system today and tonight, but also next week. Check us out at our webpage, weather.gov/Topeka, as well as the following social media sites: Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.